Each new day brings the possibilities of greatness. But when life throws a curveball and we do strike out, who's there to pick us up and help us be the best we can be? They are the All-Stars, the ones who put in the time and don't hesitate to go to bat for us. These All-Stars deserve to be celebrated because they inspire us to reach our potential. All-Stars are the ones who encourage us to keep playing. Because of them, we have the courage to step up to the plate. And if a fastball is thrown, we've got what it takes to hit one out of the park. All-Stars cheer the loudest when we succeed. And each win is a team effort. With the May Paper Pumpkin Kit, you have everything you need to celebrate the All-Stars in your life. To get this All-Star Kit, talk to your demonstrator. Or go to paperpumpkin.com and subscribe by May 10th.